In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Carousel Hero Header in Framer. We'll build a clean, swipeable hero area for your homepage that highlights multiple visuals in one compact section. I'll walk you through placing the carousel, adding your images, connecting them properly, and previewing the results so it looks great on desktop and mobile. First, open Framer and head into your project so you're on the canvas. Make sure you can see the top toolbar. That's where we'll add components. A hero header usually sits at the top of your page, so keep a frame or page section ready for it. Next, click the plus icon at the top and hover over the interactive category. This menu groups all the ready-made interactive building blocks. Look for Carousel. It's designed to handle multiple slides with built-in navigation and smooth transitions. Click and drag the carousel onto your canvas. Drop it inside your hero section and resize it to full width so it stretches edge to edge. Set a comfortable height for your design, something tall enough to showcase imagery without pushing critical content too far down. If your layout is responsive, make sure the carousel fills the parent so it scales nicely across breakpoints. Now, go to your files and drag your images directly into Framer. Use high-quality optimized images with consistent aspect ratios. That keeps the slide transitions clean. Drag each image into the carousel area so you have a set of slides ready to connect. To wire things up, click the small connection dots you see on the carousel's content areas and connect each one to its corresponding image layer. This tells the carousel which image belongs to which slide. Repeat for each image and arrange the order in the layer panel if needed. If any image looks cropped, adjust its fit to cover and center the focal point. Finally, click the preview icon at the top. Test the arrows and swipe gestures and resize the preview to check mobile and tablet views. Tweak sizing or image positions if anything feels off. That's it. Your Carousel Hero Header in Framer is ready to impress.